homelessness was showing. How are you? I'm great. And homeless. Homeless and great. Gromeless. You guys want to know the perks of living in your car? So do I. Welcome to my home. I'm homeless. Kind of. I live in my car.
And I can't go back.
I guess I could tidy up a bit. How rude of me. I wasn't expecting guests. Everything has a place, okay? Everything has a place. I don't like this camera angle. Perfection. What have I done for the past year? Where have I been? Who cares? Okay, Red Bull, not a good idea before filming because now I'm just off topic. I'm not gonna leave myself hanging. Brandon, you lived in your car for a year. Tell us, what spiritual journeys have you gone on? Here we go. It's kind of nice whenever you go somewhere and you're like, you ever gone somewhere and you're like, I left something at home. Nope, I left it in the parking lot. Always. There's definitely downfalls. I don't know if it's downfalls or just like minor inconveniences, such as bathroom situations. I've become excellent at peeing in public bathrooms. You gotta get yourself on a schedule. You gotta say, listen, stop peeing. Eating, another hard thing to do. For instance, I've probably had more peanut butter sandwiches in a year than you've had in your entire life. Promise. Bet. How much? I win. Give me money. What about house parties? What about them? I didn't have house parties when I was in an apartment. I'm sure as heck not gonna have house parties in my car. Although that sounds like a really good video. I was pretty hesitant to tell my girlfriend when we first started talking that I live in my car. But then I was like, she's gonna find out eventually. So I was like, hey, I'm poor and I live in my car. But I'm cute and funny, so that doesn't make up for much. The great thing about living in your car, which we found out, was that I'll just drive up to the mountains and then we'll just back up, open the back, lay down and look at the mountain view from the back in bed, just laying in bed. It's pretty great. That's a cool thing about living in your car. Or just put a mattress in your car and live in an apartment. I'm just trying to make it better for me. What else?